A very good morning to everyone. My name is Hani Mustafa. I'm the Senior Lecturer at Center for Modern Languages at Nanyang Technological University here in Singapore. Today, I would like to share with you my study on the impact of social media on foreign language learning. Let me begin by sharing with you the background to this study. As you know, the growing influence of digital technologies has made learning and interaction more varied and authentic. We now have more tools to share with our students. And social media is now the main socializing tools among the young. They receive input from social media daily. And as such, it is important for us to find out whether these inputs from social media help them in their learning or are these disruptive to their learning. The aims of the study is to enhance language learning as well as cultural awareness. It is also to review the impact of social media on foreign language learning. Can it actually develop the language skills? Can it also function as an effective communication platform? Or does it actually confuse our learners? In terms of the research questions, I would like to find out what are the impact of using social media in learning a foreign language. Does social media aid or disrupt the learning of a foreign language? In this study, the students were given tasks to complete after learning certain topics. The tasks have to be completed using TikTok applications. Through the tasks, we seek to provide platform for students to actually practice their language skills or assess their learning of the language skills. The objectives of the study is to ascertain the impact of social media in helping students to learn foreign language, to gain more confidence in using the language, and to have higher intercultural awareness of the language. The participants for this study are students who are taking Malay as a foreign language. They're currently at level 2. Okay, there are 50 of them. In carrying out the study, we first have to set clear guidelines and expectations. We have to explain to them the procedure of the study and the rules and regulations and the responsibilities that we expect of them. And we have to create TikTok accounts specifically for this study. The students actually have their own TikTok account, but that's a personal TikTok account. So we create a new account for them. And then we start uploading TikTok videos for them to use as part of their learning activities. And via the TikTok account also, students have to upload the TikTok videos that they perform or they created. And finally, we conducted a survey and focus group discussion. Well, what actually do the students have to do in this study? First, they have to perform TikTok duets, meaning they have to do a duet with a native speaker. For example, they're given a scenario at a restaurant to order food, so they have to have a duet with this native speaker and interact with one another. They have to respond to the questions that are being asked, and they also have to ask questions to these native speakers. And then they also have to perform TikTok challenges. So these are mainly vocabulary challenges where they have to give the meaning of the words or grammar rules challenges. And students have to create their own TikTok videos explaining certain grammatical concepts. For example, they have learned the rules on prefixes, so they have to explain how we use certain prefixes in Malay language. And then finally, they also have to create TikTok videos, but this time they're describing certain situations. For example, they're describing their experience buying a food. They are describing the traffic situations. So they've been given certain situations, and then they have to do a video to describe that situation or their experience. At the end of the study, students were asked to fill up a questionnaire, and then they were also invited to attend a focus group discussion for them to give us more inputs about their experience in using TikTok videos as well as TikTok activities as part of their learning. Now let me share with you the findings of the study. Well, overall, the students expressed a very positive experience using participating in this study. They said that it has increased their confidence level in using the language. They had better listening skills too, and they also learned more words. And they were able to speak like native speakers because in the videos they were interacting with various native speakers, and they said that they were able to construct better sentences, and it was also a good platform for them to do a checklist of their own learning. Well, the students also mentioned that they are more motivated to learn the language, having experience using the language via TikTok videos. And they mentioned that these TikTok videos actually created a good platform for them to apply what they have learned in class, and for them to be able to assess how much they have mastered whatever concepts that they learned in class, and they were more aware of how to use the language in both formal as well as informal situations, and they understood the presence of words with multiple meanings and how to apply the meanings of these words depending on the context. Well, not everything is rosy. They also had some negative experiences. Basically, it involves that feeling of insecurity to post the videos. Well, you see, they had fun doing the videos, interacting with their videos. But after that, they actually had to post their videos. By right, they had to post the videos to the public, but they were very unwilling to do that. They were afraid uh, that it kind of conflict with their social media identity. I was made to understand that most of them actually had a different online persona, and in these videos because they're actually learning a foreign language, a new language, which is not easy, so they feel that it will actually clash or conflict with their uh, social media identity, and they didn't want that to happen, so we respected that opinion of them, their feelings of them. So we restricted the posting to only members of the classmates. Another negative thing is that some of the videos available online may also be culturally inappropriate, or the content that they posted were also inaccurate. So we have to be careful in choosing the right videos for the students to use, or else they will be getting wrong inputs. And the other negative thing or negative experience is about how time consuming this is, because the students, big students, they want to show the best video, the best outcome. So they had to redo multiple times until they were satisfied. So that took up a lot of their time. In conclusion, where social media, in this case the TikTok, are effective and efficient in facilitating the language learning process, but there is also a need to caution the way we engage students on social media. We have to identify suitable videos or allow students to create their own videos, and we need to vet the videos before posting them. All from me. Thank you very much. And should you have any queries, please feel free to email me at this email address. Thank you once again.